Hello, hello. I am Sam Alberts. I'm here to share my portfolio project. Um, it is I I had the goal of my projects being visually appealing, um, and I feel like I accomplished something for sure. Anyways, this is a little preview of the overall experience. So, this little guy on my home screen was part of my venture into 3JS. And if you go in, I'm going there now. So yeah, if somebody goes into my GitHub pages, it's still when you hit enter, it renders, but there's an error. There's a compilation error because the file can't be found or it can't be read, which just has to do with the configuration files, um, which drove me up a wall. But anyway, uh, I have everything working locally, and honestly, this is one of the first projects I've ever worked on where I had a I had uh one of the it works moments, you know. It's like the famous saying of like, you're learning a print F function and it's like it works. Yeah, I had one of those moments working on this project. So it was definitely a lot of fun and there was definitely a lot to learn. Yeah, a little bit about this guy. I used Meshy AI, so I whittled away at a good prompt on Meshy AI. So this is kind of an example of what someone finds when they go to Meshy AI. Um, so this is something else I created, but you can see like some of the similarities and how the objects are generated. But yeah, that is where my character came from. And I had the idea, um, I don't know, I prompted it. I just wanted to do something different. So I created this guy and um, you know, I don't know, kind of an AR VR guy who loves visual effects. So it's not a big one, but I feel like it complements my homepage. So anyway, yeah, this is my homepage. And on the next uh, tab in the navigation, I have my projects page. So this is a fun project I created once, way in a long distant uh, class of Python uh, 1, Python programming. And so this, yeah, this is just like a little movie recommendation system someone can download and run locally if they want. Um, yeah. Anyway, yeah, these are my projects. This is another one. This is just a link to the video. Um, it's a geolocation device I got to create. So, anyway, yeah, this is my projects page, and it's if somebody wants to learn something new or be inspired, they can go to my projects page. Um, and I feel like it's a good portfolio of projects. And let's just say somebody wants to get in touch with me. Uh, uh, have anything to say. Okay. So my button's not currently working, but I got the aesthetics of everything going. And in the back end, I did add an emailing system because I have email JS as part of the back end. I have an account where I'm still working on the functionality. Um, so anyway, yeah, that's my contact page in case somebody wants to contact me um, directly and send me an email. So anyway, these are my social links between GitHub, LinkedIn, and X. Um, well, obviously, there's more projects, or if somebody needed to just view my GitHub, they can view that. This is my LinkedIn page. Let's see. It's my Twitter page. And then last but not least, I have my papers. So if an employer wants to download my resume, or if I need to just reference someone to my resume, I have a link. Um, Something I could do in the future is create a QR code that just goes straight to my resume right here. And then, uh, if they want to view uh, more on my projects page. Maybe that's something I can put on my resume where, you can go through and find the projects here. So, last but not least, I have my MVP. So this is my concept for building a pro, uh, basically, business management application for musicians, which it's not limited to musicians, but these are my thoughts as um, it's one of my other final projects for entrepreneurship. So maybe, just maybe, I could get the idea some wings. Yeah. So anyway, yeah, this is my portfolio page, and hopefully hopefully it's a good immersive experience. um I don't know what it would be like in a VR headset, but I think I'm going to have to go out and try it because this guy probably does have some depth to him, being he is an actual object. One of the cool things with the website though, uh so one of the features that somebody can do using Three.js is the lighting, because like if you just import this character, it's like he'll end up being all black because there has to be a camera for him to have directional lighting. Um, so yeah, that was kind of fun playing around with. I spent hours trying to kind of fine tune uh, the visual effects because really overall I wanted a portfolio page that was visually appealing, um, that had basically had some good eye candy as part of uh, the presentation. So anyway, I hope whoever views this enjoys and come check out my portfolio. And if you want to get in touch, you can connect with me right here. All right.